So, Apple has officially locked in September 9th as the big day. And yes, that's when the highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup will finally go public. We're expecting 4 models on stage: the standard iPhone 17, the slimmer iPhone 17 Air, the powerful iPhone 17 Pro, and of course the top-tier iPhone 17 Pro Max. But just when we thought the wait couldn't get more intense, a surprising new leak has added fuel to the fire. Earlier today, a short clip popped up in China that's allegedly showing the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the flesh. What makes this one stand out is that the person holding the device supposedly works on the production line itself, meaning this could actually be a real functioning unit and not just some random prototype or concept. Now, if that's true, this is easily one of the biggest leaks we've seen so far. But it's already making huge waves online. So what's different here? Well, the redesign that's been rumored for months finally shows up in full. The back of the device carries a massive new camera housing, stretching all the way from the left edge to the right. Apple seems to be doubling down on the Pro Max being the ultimate photography machine, and this extended camera island screams just that. Interestingly, there's also a secondary outlined area around the rear design, almost like Apple's way of balancing the look and making that oversized camera bump feel a little less awkward. Love it or hate it, this approach feels intentional, and it's likely something we'll be talking about a lot once the phones go official. And trust me, this design is going to divide opinions. Some will call it bold, others will say it's overkill. But hey, whether you love the design or hate it, one thing's clear: Apple isn't playing it safe this year. Either way, what this video does prove is that the redesign leaks aren't going away, and if anything, they're looking more credible by the day. Apple clearly wants to set the iPhone 17 series apart, and this radical rear redesign might just be the boldest move they've made in years. With the official event just around the corner, we won't have to wait long to find out if this leaked unit is real or just another decoy. One thing's certain though, next week, the iPhone 17 series is going to dominate the tech conversation. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.